Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to continue same lesson of Tenali Raman draws a picture. Okay? Yesterday I have explained you the skit. I told you it is a short play which is played by many characters. There are many people, those who take part in one act play. And such type of one act plays are called skit. What they are called? They are called skit. So we studied about Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman is what we will revise this lesson once again. Tenali Raman is a intelligent Pandit. Pandit means what in Marathi? Guru. You can say Brahman. Brahmin, Brahman you can say, or then Pujari you can say. So Tenali Raman was an intelligent Pandit. And in this lesson, there are some difficult words. There are some difficult words. For example, disturb. Tenali Raman is saying, shh, do not disturb me. Yes or no? So what is this word? Disturb. D-I-S-T-U-R-B. Disturb. Which is next word? Next word is messenger. What is spelling of messenger? M-E-S-S-E-N-G-E-R. Messenger. Next word is majesty. M-A-J-E-S-T-Y. Majesty. After that is drawing. D-R-A-W-I-N-G. Drawing. You are drawing picture. Drawing. Next one is loads. L-O-A-D-S. Loads. Okay. After that is pictures. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S. Pictures. After that is grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Walked. W-A-L-K-E-D. Walked. So these are some difficult words in this lesson. I want you all to write down these difficult words down. You must have studied in EVS. Your teachers were telling, in English your teachers were telling you to write down words down. This what? If there is a word grass, G-R-A-S-S, grass, right? Same word you have to write down. Downside, G-R-A-S-S, grass, G-R-A-S-S, grass. And when you are writing this spellings or when you are writing these words, that time you have to pronounce it. Okay, you have to say it. For example, grass, then you have to say G-R-A-S-S, grass. Majesty, M-A-J-E-S-T-Y, majesty. Majesty means what? We say yes or no. You know, in court, when we respect someone, that time what we say? In court of king, it is said, Your Majesty. And if you come in school, then you say, Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Do you say or not? That is what respect which we give to elder ones. Majesty म्हणजे काय? Majesty means we give respect to elder ones. Correct or not? And that comes naturally. As soon as when we see someone elder ones, if we see principal sir or then if we see supervisors, we say, Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. I think you must also following. You might be following such type of what? Such type of words in your daily routine. Correct or not? So you have to write down these words one below the other on one page. Now on one page you can write only 1, 2, 3, 4. You will be able to write only 4 words. Are you understanding? And then remaining 4 words you write down on next page. Okay, 4 words on one page. You turn your page and again remaining 4 words on another page. Okay. Now there are some questions in the exercise. First I will read all questions for you. First, what did the king see on Raman's board? What did the king see on Raman's board? Second question is, had Raman really drawn a cow eating grass? Third question is, can a cow walk away from a picture? Fourth question is, retell the story in the then we are going to answer first question. What did the king see on Raman's board? Raman's board was having picture Tenali Raman, a great Pandit. He was drawing something, and then messenger came over there and said, king wants you. And Tenali Raman said, shh, do not disturb me. Was he really drawing anything? Was he drawing any picture on the board? No, he was not drawing anything. He was just looking at the board, and he was in picture it is shown. He was just looking at the board, and then he's showing same empty board to the king. Can you see over here? He's just showing the empty board to the king. So question is asked, what did the king see on Raman's board? What did king see on Raman's board? Answer. What do you think? What will be the answer of this question? Simply you can tell answer that Raman did not see anything on Raman's board. Raman's board was blank. Okay. The king did not see anything on Raman's board. Raman's board was, or drawing board was blank. Next question which is asked in exercise is, had Raman really drawn a cow eating grass? What is second question? Had Raman really drawn a cow eating grass? रमननी गाईचं चित्र काढलं का? गाय काय करत होती? ग्रास खात होती. So Raman had really drawn cow eating grass. What will be your answer? No. What will be your answer? No. Raman had not drawn any picture of cow eating a grass. Okay, that is the answer of second question. Now third question is, can a cow walk away from a picture? Now this question is very interesting. If there is a picture drawn of a cow, that cow which is there in the picture, it can go outside or what? It can come out or what from picture? What will be the answer? Naturally, any small baby or small boy who is of 2 or 3 years, he will also tell answer no. Cow cannot come outside of the picture. But there are some students, they will say, yes ma'am, cow can come outside of the picture. Okay. And next question, last question of this exercise is, retell the story in the form of a joke. Now I will tell you joke. Okay. There were two people. One was king and one was pandit. Okay. There were two people. One was king and other one was pandit. Name of the king was, for example, Chandragupta. Name of the king is Chandragupta and name of pandit is Tenali Raman. We will take same name. Okay. Now I am going to tell you joke. Okay. Chandragupta asked Tenali Raman to come and meet him. Okay. Chandragupta said, Tenali Raman, can you come here? I want to meet you. Tenali Raman said, no, I cannot come because I am too much busy. I am doing work. Then Chandragupta is saying, wait, I am coming. I will come. Wherever you are doing your work, I will come there. Then Chandragupta is going near Tenali Raman. Chandragupta is asking Tenali Raman, what are you doing, Tenali? Or what are you doing, Raman? Then Tenali Raman is saying, you cannot see, I am drawing a picture. What? You cannot see, I am drawing a picture. Then Chandragupta is saying, picture? But then this board is blank. There is nothing on the board or there is nothing on the paper. Then Tenali Raman will say, Are Baba, it is so easy. There was a cow eating grass. There was a cow eating grass. The king again, Chandragupta will say, there was a cow eating grass, but where you can see grass? There is no grass in the picture and there is no cow also in the picture. Tenali Raman. How easy it is. You did not understood. Are Baba, cow ate the load of whatever grass was there. Cow ate that grass and went away and walked away. So when cow will eat grass and walk away, there will be nothing in the picture. There will be nothing in the picture. So have you understood joke? Or you have not understood? If you have understood joke, you will laugh over there, okay? And if you have not understood joke, you will not laugh. I think you have understood. So I will write down now answers of these questions, okay? What did the king see on Raman's board? So answer, first answer will be the king didn't see anything on the Raman's board. Raman's board you can say, or Raman's drawing board. Raman's drawing board. Had Raman really drawn a cow eating grass? No. What is answer? No. Raman had not drawn any cow eating grass. Third answer of question. What is third question? Can a cow walk away from a picture? Cow can walk away from a picture. Come on, tell me answer. There is a picture and in that picture you have drawn animal. That is not only cow. You have drawn, for example, you have drawn ostrich or you have drawn peacock. The peacock can come out or what if peacock will eat grass and it will come outside of the picture or what? No, I don't think it will come because pictures which we draw on drawing board, pictures which we draw on charts, those pictures are non-living things and non-living things cannot move from one place to another. Yes or no? You might have studied in second standard CBS living things and non-living things. Living things means those who move from one place to another. Non-living things means those who do not move from those who do not move from one place to another. So in this way, can a cow walk away from a picture? She can walk away from picture. Answer. What will be answer? No. Cow cannot walk away from a picture. And last one is retell the story in the form of joke. That is oral work. Okay, oral work which you have to do. I think you must have understood, and there is a small box given in this lesson which is important. Now here it is told that in this skit, Raman gives a funny explanation of why there was nothing in his picture. Can you think of other such funny explanation? Do you have any other funny explanation? Can you tell any funny explanation? Same like Tenali Raman. Can you take? One example is there. There is a film. I don't know whether you know or not. There is a film. Welcome returns. welcome returns. In that Anil Kapoor, I am just giving you example. In that Anil Kapoor is drawing picture, and his pictures are shown in exhibition is kept of his picture, and in that picture he is drawing a horse. He is drawing a horse on a chart, and same thing he has done. He is showing that horse is eating. In one picture he is showing that horse is eating grass, and in second picture he is showing horse is running, and in third picture he is keeping that picture blank. Are you understanding or not? Not understood? Have you understood or not? I don't know. I'll just tell you, I'll just show you. There are 3 charts. Okay. In first chart, he has drawn picture, okay, eating grass. In second picture, that animal, for example, horse is there, okay, and this horse has come in the end. Horse has come here, okay, and in third picture, horse he has written out, and this part is empty. Are you understanding or not? And then some people asked him, "Arey Baba, there is picture of horse over here. Not spelling, I cannot draw. My drawing is not good, so I have written HORSE horse. What is that? Horse is drawn over here. After that, horse is in the corner, in the ending of that board, and here horse is outside. And then people are asking him, why your last horse is out? Then he is telling here, horse was eating grass. After eating grass, he went out. Here he was going out, and in this picture he is not there because he has eaten grass and he has gone. So like this, there are so many examples. If you have any examples when our school will start, correct? Our school has started, but then when you start coming in school, that time you will able to tell me such examples. Okay, I will ask you. Can you tell me some jokes or what? I will ask you some jokes. I will ask you some stories. I will tell you to come front and perform some skit. Are you understanding? So you should be mentally prepared for that. Okay? And such type of stories are very much interesting, and such type of stories are called skit. What they are called? Skit. Okay, skit is performed by many people. Not only one character, 4 to 5 characters should be there. For example, in this lesson we have studied, there is a king, there is a soldier, there is a messenger, then there should be some what we call the senapati. Correct or not? Like that, many characters will be there. Then king is there, then queen. Correct or not? Then daughter of king and queen. So such type of many characters when they perform act. Such type of acts are called skit. And yesterday and today we have studied a skit of Tenali Raman draws a picture. Have you understood? If you have understood, then I want you all to write down these answers in your notebook. Please complete your work. Whenever, on what day homework is given to you, you should complete your homework in time. And these lessons we are not going to repeat again. You have to study at home. You have to struggle. If you will struggle, you will remember these lessons forever. You will remember these poems forever. तुम्ही कधीच विसरू शकणार नाही. Are you getting or not? Are you understanding or not? If you have any problem, you can ask your father. You can ask your mother. Okay, in this way, we have completed 3 topics of our English subject. Okay, thank you.